We are happy to announce the release of the new Revit Doors collection by BIM. This video discusses all the principles and techniques included in this collection. This collection will be released on May 27, 2024. It is included with our BIM membership, which includes our collection of Revit courses, templates, downloadable files, live masterclasses, and more. Get a yearly subscription to access all content at bimpure.com. Now, let's have a look at the features included in this door collection. When you open the file, you will see both a plan view and a 3D view that showcase all the doors. The doors are available in both metric and imperial units. Select any swing door. You will see a parameter called swing angle. Adjust this angle to any value. You can go beyond 90 degrees. This only affects the symbol in 2D views. There's also a parameter called existing swing. Check this box to change the swing symbol from an arc to a straight line. This is helpful if you want different graphic representation for your existing doors. This collection includes three main types of door frames: wood for residential construction, steel for interior doors, and steel for exterior doors. The collection also includes a door for egress. You can see it includes a pull plate and a panic bar. This door is available both as a single and double door. Here are the folding doors. There's a simple folding version and a bifold. The opening angles can be customized. Here's what it looks like in a 3D view. The collection includes pivot doors. There are versions with both a steel and wood frame. It includes pivot door with an offset or with the pivot centered. You will find a simple basic door for early phase designs. This door doesn't include a frame or any hardware components. However, it includes a symbol for accessibility clearances. In the instance properties, the clearances can be customized. In 3D views, the clearances are represented by transparent red material. Go to the type properties to deactivate the visibility of the clearance. The doors in the collection are affected by the level of detail set in the view. Have a look at the frame and see how it is affected by changing the level of detail from fine to medium, then from medium to coarse. The door handles will be invisible in the coarse setting. If you don't want to see the handles in any level of detail, go to the type properties and uncheck the door handle parameter. All doors include accurate dimensions for the rough openings. This way you can schedule not only the door dimensions, but also the opening cut dimensions. Inside of the family, the rough openings are represented by pink reference planes. In the family type properties, you can see formulas have been set to ensure the rough width and rough height dimensions are automatically calculated. This door collection includes a dozen of different nested panel families. These panels can be used in any of the doors in the collection. There are two different techniques you can use. The first is using shared panel families. The second is using non-shared panel families. If you select one of the shared panel, you can see the SP prefix in the family name. That indicates this panel family is a shared family. The non-shared panels don't have this prefix. Go to the properties of any door and scroll down to the bottom. You can pick among any shared door panel that is part of the project. These panels don't have to be nested inside of the door families themselves. In this example, you can see we easily switch from one panel to another. This technique allows you to keep lightweight door families and rely on panel families that are directly placed in the project. They can be used not only in single doors, but also double doors and other types. Since they are shared families, you can tab select the door panel itself and edit the type properties. When you change a dimension here, any door family using this specific panel will be affected. A potential downside of using the shared panels technique is that the shared families are part of the Revit database. That means each door panel will be scheduled, in addition to the main door family itself. To avoid this issue, we enter the type comments panel for each panel family. In the door schedule, we filter out all door families with panels in the type comments. The doors collection also includes a more conservative non-shared panels approach. With these doors, the panels must be nested inside of the main door family to be available as options in the project. In the drop-down list, you can see the panels option don't have the SP prefix. That means that these are the non-shared versions of the panels. If you open one of the door families, you can see all the panel families as nested elements. The downside is that this might make the door families more heavy, as they contain more nested families, but some firms might prefer this approach. The doors collection includes a PDF guide that explains all principles you need to understand. To download this door collection, join the BIM Pure membership with an annual subscription. You will also get all our Revit courses, downloadable content, live events, and access to the community. Go to bimpure.com to subscribe.